right, guys, January 8th, and we are here at Mavericks Custom Motorsports, and the day has arrived. We are picking up the bike. Jeff is bringing it outside. We're gonna load it up in the trailer. Follow us. Today's an epic day here at DS18. Stay tuned, we're gonna unload it, we're gonna put it inside the warehouse, then we're gonna call everybody in to come check it out. This is actually gonna be the first time it is at DS18, so it's a surprise for everybody. We're starting off the year great, so stay tuned, there's more to come. All right, we are here, DS18 headquarters, unloading.
Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Motivation to youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Held steady. I keep